I'm Kyla.
And welcome back to the
Cardello
Sisters. Today we're going to be doing
The baby food challenge.
We've done this before. A lot of people do it at baby showers. That's where we've done it. So how the game works.
So we're gonna be blindfolded, and my mom is gonna give us a baby food, and she has 2 spoons in it, and one of us will pull out 1 spoon, and the other will pull out the other spoon, and then we'll be blindfolded like this. This is what you're supposed to do. So pretend there's a baby jar right here, and there's 2 spoons right here. And then 1, 2, 3, say the answer, and if no, that's the game works.
And there's gonna be 8 different flavors for us to try. And we're going to be keeping track of the winner.
And
all right, we're gonna put our blindfolds on. She's gonna give us the first one. All right, let's go.
Okay.
I'm
so scared yet.
Oh, where's the baby food? All right, I found this food. Where's my mouth? Ah! Wait, something fell on me. Wait, something fell on me. Mommy, there's baby food on my legs and the chair.
I don't want to try it.
Did you taste it yet?
Oh, I know what this is.
You do?
That was gross. Oh God.
I think I know what it is.
Me too.
Where's the napkin that I...
All
right. Wait. I need to
I'm
put
closing
this
my eyes,
down.
guys.
Alright, this is a napkin. Okay. Okay. Ready?
Set. Go.
Go.
3, 2, 1.
Sweet potato.
carrot.
What'd you say?
I said sweet carrot, but I meant to say sweet potato. I said sweet potato.
It's gonna be
Sweet carrot, isn't it?
That's not carrots. Okay.
Okay,
So we're gonna put our masks on and let's see the second one.
Oh, I'm so scared. I'm waiting for this
Where is
one.
it? Where? Oh, I found it.
I found it. Oh, I saw your hand. Okay. If you have a feeling this one probably
Why does this taste really good?
I don't know, but it does.
This is delicious. Wait! This one? Mommy, can you keep whatever this one is? Because this is really good.
Yeah, it is.
I know what this is. Do you know what it is?
I think I do.
All right. On count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Applesauce.
That's what I was going to say. What is it? Apple. We knew it. It just says apple, but
I think we still
we knew it because that was sweet. That was good.
Yeah, it tastes like applesauce, so that's why I said applesauce.
I'm keeping this one.
I want to. Mom, can we keep it?
All right. Time for this third. All right. Blindfolds on.
That
All
was
right.
actually kind of pretty good.
Is there another spoon in this one?
Okay, I'm scared because sometimes the baby food is green, sometimes the baby food is red, and I do not know which color this is, and sometimes it's gonna be disgusting.
I don't want to guess what this is. I don't want to guess this.
I already know what this one is. I know what this one is, and I don't like it.
Where'd my spoon go? Oh, I just dipped my finger in it.
Now you have to lick it.
I did.
Oh, that was so horrible. That was probably the worst babyest food
Okay, I think I know what it is. Ready on the count of 3.
1, 2, 3.
3.
Green beans. I meant beans. Just
Yeah.
regular beans.
I'm gonna say green bean.
Me too. I'm just gonna say regular beans. What is it?
Green bean! Yes!
I think. Wait, did I get a point? So you think I did get a point?
Kyla gets a half point because she said just beans, and I get a point. No. Mommy's fine. Yes, Carla gets a half point because she said beans.
Don't this sound like this, Anson. That is gross. I can't eat babies like this.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna take this. Where's my spoon?
All right. Next one. Let's go. Blindfolds are on.
No. Wait, I didn't.
Give me
Wait.
this disgusting food. I think. Oh.
I see your
Wait,
hand.
I got that. Wait, where?
Mmm.
Yum.
It's good.
Why is it good?
I don't know why it's good. Maybe some baby foods are good and some baby foods aren't.
Wait, I've had this before.
I think I've had this before too. I just dipped my spoon in it again.
What is this? Wait, I need to find the thing.
I feel like this is applesauce again, but it isn't.
Oh. What is this? I need to try it again because this is good.
Yeah. Now I just got my hand all dirty. I should have just left it. Still wasting.
Oh, what? Oh, God.
Oh, I have no idea what.
I know what this is. Do you have an idea?
I think I do.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Peach. I said peach.
I said peach.
What's this? I am highly disappointed.
Me too.
Banana? That is not bananas.
That tastes so good.
By the way, our dog, if you hear snarling like a pig and barking, that is our dog. That does not taste like banana. All right, let's get the next one.
Yeah. It's fine. Oh, you're getting that one. I'm getting this one, okay?
Wait.
Stop grabbing my spoon. I've been having the blue
I
spoons.
can't see a spoon. Wait, how do you know that's a blue spoon?
I have no idea. I think it's a red one, but I don't know which one. Okay. I'm scared. Just scared. Wait. Oh, well, where am I not gonna go?
Don't need any more because that tastes disgusting and I know what it is.
Doesn't know what that one is. It's gross.
Wait, I have 2 guesses. Oh.
I have one guess.
Oh, God. Is this even the right spoon?
I don't know.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Are people at home ready? All right. I'm gonna kind of think. 3,
2,
2,
1.
1. Butter
Sweet
squash.
potato.
Butternut squash. That's
I said sweet potato.
butternut squash. All right, let's see what it is.
Sweet potato!
All right.
How did you think that was butternut?
Well, I thought it was sweet potato at first, and then I was like, wait, that's butter squash. Okay. Well, whatever. Moving on, peeps. People. Oh, God. All right. Let's go. Blindfolds are.
No, this one, I think. Oh, gosh, I'm scared. Do I have another? Oh, God. This tastes like grass.
No more.
No more of that. Bye-bye.
I have my guess.
Me too.
Ready?
Actually, I don't have my guess. What is that?
I know what it is. It's a food that I don't like. All right, ready?
Oh, no, I know this one.
1,
2,
3. Broccoli.
broccoli. Yeah, I think it's broccoli. I actually think it's broccoli.
Beans! Peas? Excuse me?
Peas?
That's not peas. I also have never had peas.
Yeah, so. So basically, that was obvious.
Next, disgusting baby food.
Let's go. I think we have 2 more. I'm just going to the one that's near me. Okay. Oh boy. Napkin filled.
It has a weird texture. Like, where is it? Okay, there. Wait, what?
What is that? Can be apple again.
No.
Oh, I know this one. I know this one.
Wait.
I used to like this one, and I still like it. I know this one. Could you stand mine?
Okay. 1,
2,
3.
Pear.
Oh yeah, that's what it's. Yeah, pear. Yeah, totally. Yeah.
Correct.
That was a weird one because like it had a pear texture.
Keep this
Then
one.
yet I couldn't get it in my mind. I couldn't be
Yeah.
like.
I actually used to have this when I was like little.
Yeah.
And I remember that there's this little crunch to it.
Yeah. Or like a grainy
And-
texture.
Yeah,
That's
like,
why I was
like
like,
a
wait,
crunch
what
to
is
it.
this?
Like
All right, so this is the last one, and I'm scared.
Wait, I don't have my
Slide put on. All right.
so
Blindfold.
Ooh.
On. Oh, I'm scared.
Sabrina, the spoon. Since there's already carrot and mashed potato and all those flavors, I have no idea if this is original or if I already smelled it and it smells horrible. This bully it just smells.
Yes, I know what this is. Yep, I know what this is. I do not like it, but I sure know what. I think I like this.
How do you like that? That's gross.
No, I like the food that it is. So, all right, do you have it?
Wait, no.
Do you have it? No. All right. Because I know what that is. It's just very bad. It's just very gross.
1, 2,
I'm not done.
3.
Just say I don't know.
I don't know. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Butternut squash. That's not what you
I
said.
actually think it is. I
Let's see
really
what it
actually
is.
kind of think it is.
Yes! I did it right. It is butternut squash. I knew it.
Wait, you like butternut squash?
Yeah.
Wait, let me see that.
I like butternut squash, but that is gross. When I taste it, usually all the yummy foods are softer. So because this was like creamy, I knew that I kind of liked it. But then, yeah, I didn't. But okay, so here are the scores because that was the last one. It is a tie game. So we have 1 and 1, 2, 1.5, 3.5. 1, 1, 1, 3, 1.5. Wow. So that was a tie game. Great job, Kyla. High five.
We need to do a tiebreaker.
What was your least favorite one?
I have two least favorite. Well, my least favorite was peas. Now I know peas are disgusting.
My least favorite was either the green beans,
Oh yeah.
or the peas. My favorite would have to
I'm
be
actually full.
banana. I feel like I don't like banana in real life, but that is delicious. Well, all right. So yeah, what's your favorite?
Pear.
I also like apple.
Me too.
We need to keep these three.
Actually, I don't know. I can still keep up. Mine is pear. I don't have a spoon for this, so.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great summer because it is summer.
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe and like, and also while you're done subscribing, don't forget to
Hit the bell and
so that
be
you get
notified
notified when a new video comes out like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and